we're playing catball. We can't move the cat. Good shot, Amy. Good shot, Amy. Oh, he's gonna hit the. Oh, Baker scratch. Hit it in. Hit it in. No, you can't touch it. You can't touch it. No, no. Oh, the nine goes in. You win. The nine goes in. You win. So the cat's a part of the game. You can't move the cat. They might hit it in for you. It's a good thing. If they're in your way, it's a bad thing.
Yes.
All right, Amy, you got to hit the 7.
All right.
Oh, you better move that cue ball for you because you don't have a shot right now. You better move it for you. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, ball in hand. Whose shot is it?
Oh, I get ball in hand?
Yeah, ball in hand. Oh, you got another cat. You got 3 cats on the table right now, so you better hurry because they're going to be in your way.
Oh my god, I got neither one of them.
Oh, they're not even scared of these balls. Okay, so not ball in hand. Here, record this. Grab that. Grab that.
Did you like my
Grab
emoji?
that. That's a different.
Did you like my
recording.
emoji with the 8
Oh,
ball?
look, so she's in my way. Look, I only have 30 seconds to play. If he hits the 9 ball in right now, I'll win. Go ahead, hit it in. Hit it in there.
It's always when it's
Hit it in.
beneficial.
Oh, look, look. Oh, I win. Oh, blue boy. Look, I win. Look. 9 ball
I
in the
disagree.
pocket.
If you
9
haven't hit
ball
the
in the
ball
pocket.
yet,
No,
it's still
no,
my turn.
no. He hit it in. It's my turn.